What you must know about the recent General Muhoozi's UPDF promotion. Well, the CDF of UPDF, that is General Muhoozi, via the official website, is pleased to announce the promotion and commission of division commanders below. They are 4 in number. The first one is Brigadier General Stephen Mugerwa, who has been promoted to acting Major General, Commander of the 1st Infantry Division of the UPDF. And also, the second person on the list is Brigadier General Paul Muhoozi, who has been promoted to acting Major General, Commander, 2nd Infantry Division. And then the third one is Brigadier Felix Busizori to acting Major General, Commander of 4th Infantry Division. Then the last one, or the number 4, is Brigadier General Keith Katunji to acting Major General, Commander of the 5th Infantry Division. And the UPDF says, we congratulate the newly promoted general officers and wish them success in their assigned responsibilities. Well, my talking point is coming from the 4th one, that is Brigadier General Keith Katunji, who has been promoted to acting Major General, Commander of the 5th Infantry Division. Katunji, I have interfaced with Katunji several times in many meetings, and I've analyzed he's a very, very, very hard-working person and also very diplomatic. And you know, someone who is very diplomatic can also be very dangerous. Well, Katunji has been working in Agago district and the bordering side of Karamoja, alongside the resident district commission, that is Kidega Nok Nabinson, to try to lessen or mitigate the impact of Karamojong cattle rustlers. When Kidega Nok was brought to Agago district as RDC, Katunji was also around in that period. They worked hand in hand to make sure that this thing is reduced. This is not a joking achievement. It's a big, huge milestone for the duo, who I think deserve whatever credit that they would get. And seeing Katunji being promoted is a very happy thing for me. But also on the other side, Katunji, I disagree with him on his philosophy or his theory of the cause of poverty in Acholi. Most of them, I think 90% of what he says are the causes of poverty, and the solutions, which only talks about land, most of them are not, to me, they're not right. The things that cause poverty in Acholi are very clear. We are from war, there is uncontrolled prices of what we produce, even the question of what we're producing, and so on and so on. Not laziness, not hatred, not jealousy and the rest. No, that's not right. Not land tenure system, no, that cannot be true. So, and also lastly, congratulations to all those who have been promoted, and yes, stay on the side of the people of Uganda. Bye-bye.
The Chief of Defense Forces, General Muhoozi has announced the promotion in acting capacity and confirmation of division commanders as below. Brigadier General Stephen Mugerwa is now acting Major General and is confirmed as the commander of 1st Infantry Division. Brigadier General Paul Muhoozi is now acting Major General and confirmed as Commander 2nd Infantry Division. Brigadier General Felix Busizori is now acting Major General and confirmed as the commander of 4th Infantry Division. Brigadier General Keith Katunji is now acting Major General and confirmed as the commander of the 5th Infantry Division. All will await of confirmation of these ranks by the Commander-in-Chief, His Excellency President Yoweri Museveni. This is in line with the new UPDF establishment so that the general officers can comfortably command these units as provided for by the new UPDF establishment. Omuduumizi w'eggye ly'eggwanga General Muhoozi yalangiridde ranka ezakaseera ku bakamandazi ba division ab'enjawulo nga Brigadier General Stephen Mugerwa yamuwadde rank eyakaseera ya Major General era n'amukakasa okubeera kamanda wa division yesooka. Brigadier General Paul Muhanguzi yaweereddwa rank eyakaseera ya Major General era n'akakasibwa okubeera nga ye muduumizi w'ekibinja ekyokubiri oba 2nd Infantry Division. Brigadier General Felix Busizori n'aweebwa rank eyakaseera ya Major General era n'akakasibwa okubeera nti ye muduumizi w'ekibinja kyaffe ekyokuna oba 4th Infantry Division. Brigadier General Keith Katungi yaweereddwa rank eyakaseera ya Major General era n'akakasibwa okubeera nti yakomandinga ekibinja kyaffe ekyokutaano oba 5th Infantry Division. Tuyozaayoza bakamanda bano abaweereddwa ranks ez'enjawulo era tulaba nti omulimu gwaffe ogw'okukuza eggye ly'eggwanga nga tugoberera establishment empya ow'ekitiibwa President gye yayanjula eggwanga bigenda mu maaso nga tewali mutawaana gwonna era ranka zino zijja kuweerera ddala obusobozi bakamanda bano okulaba nti division ze baduumira bazituddemu nga ate zigendera ne ranka zaabwe ze babawadde.